Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade A72S, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Devices Settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on Features. Following that, select one-handed mode and click on this switcher at the top in order to activate it. Now follow all of those instructions below it. If you are using Tricky's navigation, you need to tap and hold the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. If you want to go back, you can hold the same button again, or simply click on this black area. If you are using gestures though, I need to change my navigation real quick to show you. You need to swipe down from the button area of the screen. So when I do that, one-handed mode is on as well. If you wish to go back, you can swipe up or click on the same area again. In order to disable one-handed mode completely, select the same blue switcher at the top. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!